Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tunink here. I want to show you a very easy and quick way that you can, for free, not a dime out of your pocket, support me while I continue to stream on Twitch. Some of you are asking probably like, hey, I've seen a lot of posts about that. What is Twitch? Really quickly and easily put, Twitch is a way in which communities can come together to experience live events and live awesome opportunities and things that are going on, whether that's gaming, music, live events, concerts, and many other things, even just chatting. Twitch is a platform that allows people to come together and experience those live moments together. So that's something that I do Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursdays, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you ever want to check it out, but today I want to show you, especially if you have Amazon Prime, how to, on your desktop and mobily, support your boy without paying a single dime. So let's get to it right now. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. You are going to go to Prime Gaming. That's gaming.amazon.com, and you are going to link your Amazon Prime subscription and account to this website. After you do that, you are going to go down to Manage Twitch Gaming Account. You'll see it right here, manage Twitch accounts. You're gonna go there. I already have mine linked. It is Tunink. That is my Twitch account page. Go give it a follow once you link up. Now here's the thing, you might be a little scared of saying like, ooh, does this mean I have to give them a ton of info? No, you just gotta sign up for a Twitch account for free. You don't have to pay them anything. You don't have to do anything with it after. If you don't want to, you could give your boy a follow if you'd like. That would be an awesome way of supporting as well. But then what you're gonna do is you're gonna link that account. You're gonna make that Twitch account very easy to do, on your desktop and also mobily. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. You do that, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to twitch.com. Then you're going to look up Tunink. Once you get that, you'll see I'm right there. That's my logo. Go down here to this subscription area. You're going to go scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see it on the mobile version. I'm going to show you where that Amazon box is to say, hey, here I want to use my free Twitch Prime subscription and support Tunink. You click on that, you say okay, and then you're done. The only caveat with it is once a month, you just got to go to that page and click that Twitch subscription for free. And that literally is putting money in your boy's pocket. That's how amazing this is. Not a single dime is taken out of your pocket for that. You've already got the Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to support your boy in this way, that would be amazing. Now let's get into showing you how to do that mobily. Let's get it. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to open whichever mobile browser you want to use. Usually people are using Safari on Apple, or you can use it on your Android as well. What you're going to do is you're going to go to twitch.tv after you've done all the same thing on Prime Gaming, primegaming.amazon.com. Get that done. Then to go to twitch.com, and then you're going to go to that and create your account. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to request the mobile, not the mobile, excuse me. You want to request the desktop version, and you're going to click on that. Then it's going to make it so that when you go to my page, you can click that same subscription button and subscribe. Now you see me doing this here with Past the Singles page. Make sure that you give him a follow once you make that Twitch account as well. And you see how easy it is to just click that button, give that subscription, and it's free. It's done. Like I said, you could do that for free. That's so easy, 3 to 5 minutes max. It would mean the world to me, because those dollars go right back into me, not only making the stream better, it makes the music better, the videos better, the opportunities better to continue along this journey with you. Thank you so much for supporting. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, let me know. But thank you so much for using that free Twitch subscription to help your boy out. Appreciate you. Let's keep going.